Hey, Gabe here with another mandolin lesson. So today we're going to work on Over the Waterfall, and we're going to play it in 3 different styles. We're going to start it really straight and boring and dry, just straight 8th notes, no swing. Then we're going to swing it, and then we're going to add some ornaments. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. We can take a fairly straightforward and easy tune and make it a lot more interesting just by adding a little bit of swing and also some ornaments. Thank you for watching this short lesson. Subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.